Hey everybody, it's Alicia. I'm here to do a Nature Box unboxing. And I think this month we got some different stuff. So let's dig in. And if you notice, my midgets are gone. They went to my mom's. The first thing that I have is, thank you for snacking happy. It's a little brochure. And it has little coupons to start a free trial with. And tells me a couple new snacks that they have out. And then the shipping information. The first thing we have is pumpkin spice num noms. Let's try this. This is what they look like, a little cluster stuff. And I love pumpkin spice, so I'm hoping I'll love this. Oh my god, it's so good. It is so good. And it says it's pumpkin spice num noms. Mini pumpkin oat cookies. They're really good. The next thing we have is strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels. And I'm only taking sample bites because I don't want to make this video and you having to stare at me eating for so long. Dragged out. And that's what they look like. I love it. I love it so much. This is the box I found my favorite. We have done a couple food boxes last month. The Nature Box is, by God, my favorite. The next thing we got was whole wheat lemon figgy bars. And these come individually wrapped, like that. Like a little granola bar. Uh-oh. Sorry. My husband will like that. He's the lemon person. The next thing in the box is jalapeno cashews. I'm sorry, guys. I don't do jalapeno. That's my husband's. And then the next thing we got was pear praline crunch. That's what it looks like. Like little. I don't know if you can see it that good. And it says it's pear flavored praline, pecans, and cashews. That's yummy. Everything I tasted this month is really good. And there's not really one thing that I could really complain about, because they were all like yummy. Last month I got the peaches, and they just were way too dry. They're still in my cabinet. But all this stuff this month is yummy. But like I said, I don't do jalapenos, and I'm not going to try jalapenos because I know me and jalapenos, we don't mix. So, but like again, I got the strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels. I got the whole wheat lemon figgy bars. The jalapeno cashews. And the pumpkin spice num noms. Love them. I love them. Nom. Love them. And I got the praline pear crunch. Or praline crunch. Sorry. And my favorite out of all of them is the pumpkin spice. It was so good and delicious. And let me just show you. It is so moist. See how easy it is to mush it? I love a moist cookie. It's just yummy. And this month you can get, it's only $20 a month, but I have a code here where you can get $10 off. And I will link it down below. But I highly, highly, highly suggest that everybody tries the Nature Box. It is a good size snack. It does all 4 of my kids. We still have snacks from last month that I got, my last box. And I mean, it's like one of those snacks that you can just see a few of, and you're okay. And then there's some of those snacks that we get that we just eat the whole bag. I mean, but it's a pretty good size bag, and I have 2 kids and my husband and me, so I gotta have something that has good size to it. So I mean, like, Nature Box is by God my favorite box, food wise so far. But I will see y'all later, and I hope y'all had a wonderful time watching this and watching me stuff my face full of food. But that was my Nature Box this month, and I will see y'all later. Bye!